To override the auto stop in a 2020 Traverse, I'm going to start it up. And instead of put it in the drive, I'm going to put it in the low. Then I'm going to push this plus button on the shifter here. And as I push it, in the lower right corner it says L1 right now, which I think is low 1. I'm going to push the button and it goes to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-speed transmission. And I'm going to leave it in low. And away we go. And it'll shift the same way it does as it's in drive. But when I stop, it will not go into auto stop. Auto stop, it just, every time it comes on, sometimes I forget to do it this way and I just get mad. It's just like, what a waste in my opinion. But shifts just fine as long as I go all the way up to the 9th gear. It shifts the exact same way. And that is it. Be sure and check out my other videos.